In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can install and create Django project for the very first time. First of all, before you want to create Django project, you need to have Python installed on your device. So in order to check it, just go to your Windows search option, right over here CMD. Here you can see command prompt, click on it. And here if you just say Python dash dash version and press enter, it will show you the Python version. And here you can see for my case Python is not installed, but if you have Python installed, then it will show you the Python version over here. So first of all, what we need to do is that we need to install Python. So let me just close this and let's go to any browser, and in the browser we need to search for Python, press enter, and here you can see welcome to python.org. So we need to click here, and here you can see download option. If you just hover on download, you will see the Python download version over here. So we need to click here and it will start downloading. Here you can see, and it is around 28 MB and the download is complete. So when the download is complete, we just need to double click on this downloaded file and you will see something like this. So here first of all we need to check those two options over here. So you need to make sure to check those two, then you need to click on install now, and if it asks for a permission, just give yes, and this will take some time. Actually it take few seconds. So right now I'll just fast forward the video. There you can see it is done. So now we can just close this, and if you just go to our Windows command prompt again, just say over here CMD, click on command prompt, and if you just say over here Python dash dash version, press enter. Here you can see it is showing us a Python version. It means Python is installed. Now we can just close this and we can start creating our Django project. So first of all, we need to install Django, right? So let me just go to a folder, and over here, let's say we'll go to local disk G, and here we're going to create our Django project. So let me just create a folder over here. So I'll just right click, then click on new, then click on folder. Let's say the folder name will be Django. Let's just say this, and here you can see. So first of all we need to go inside and this folder is empty. So here first of all we need to install Django. For it we need to click at the top, then right over here CMD, press enter. It will open a command prompt to this folder location, and here first of all we need to set up a virtual environment. So for it we need to say over here Python -m venv. Then we need to give a dot. Again, we need to say over here venv. So you need to write this to set up the virtual environment, and this will be the virtual environment name. You can choose the different name, but I will suggest you to give this name. Then press enter. So here you can see it created a virtual environment folder over here. Here you can see. So we need to activate this folder. So for it, we need to give a dot, this dot, then venv. So we are basically writing this over here. Then we need to give a slash. We need to say over here scripts. So S will be capital SCRIPTS. Again slash. We need to say over here activate. So this will activate the virtual environment. And if we now press enter, here you can see. If you see this, it means our virtual environment is activated. So now we need to install Django. So in order to install Django, we need to say over here pip install Django. Then press enter. So it will start installing Django and it will take a few seconds. So right now I'll just fast forward the video. So here you can see it is done. So now we have installed Django in our folder. So now we need to create our Django project. So in order to create Django project, we need to say over here Django -admin. Then we need to say over here start project. Then we need to mention our project name. So the project name can be anything you want. Let's say here my project, press enter. And there you can see it created a folder over here, and the folder name is my project, which is over here that we just mentioned. So now we need to go to our project location. So in order to go to the project location, we need to show over here cd my project, then press enter, and here you can see our virtual environment is activated and we are in the project directory. So in order to run our Django project, we need to show over here python manage.py, then run server. And why manage.py? If you just go to this folder, here you can see we have a file called manage.py. That's why we mention over here manage.py run server. So Python will run our project using this file. So now we are going to press enter and it will give you a address over here. Here you can see. So we need to copy this. Then we can just copy any browser, paste it here, and so here you can see our Django project is installed and we are about to successfully run our Django project. So here one more thing I'd like to mention is that here if you want to run the Django project, you need to make sure that your virtual environment is activated. Okay. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.